So it took me quite some time to complete Archer. It took about like 30 minutes just to find out how to get the whole bow to fit in his hand, and then to get the sword to stay in his other hand with the string attached. It was kind of difficult, just to keep it simply attached, especially with the arms and the hand, because you got to maneuver so much. I had to take off this left hand, and then I was able to attach it to the bow, and then attach the bow to the hand, with the hand to the arm. Then the struggle between the sword. The sword doesn't like fit as neatly or as tight. They didn't like necessarily make like a hole or anything. It's literally just the mold of his hand to get it to fit. One more thing, if you were hoping to fit Archer with his bow and arrow, it doesn't actually fit in the DTOF display. So you're going to have to end up putting it in a Billy bookcase, or you're going to have to modify the DTOF to get it to fit with the bow and arrow. But without the bow and arrow, he would fit perfectly if you want to use the swords or anything. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the figure. Also, don't forget to check out my blog at otakusin.com, where I talk about the new anime figures I've been getting and new episodes of animes like Demon Slayer and Attack on Titan. I do episode reviews on that. And also, I really like to get deep into animes that I find interesting, or that I like. So don't forget to check out that website, and then let me know what you guys think about the figure. Thank you.